Hey guys, have you heard of the Sky Cruise? It's a new concept for a luxury flying hotel that's designed to revolutionize travel. The Sky Cruise is a giant hotel-sized craft that will be powered by nuclear fusion. It will be able to stay in the air for months at a time, and it will have everything you need for a luxurious vacation, including shopping malls, gyms, swimming pools, restaurants, cinemas, and even a theater. There are a few things that make the Sky Cruise so special. First, it's incredibly luxurious. The hotel will have all the amenities you could ever want, and it will be staffed by the best in the business. Second, the Sky Cruise is sustainable. It will be powered by nuclear fusion, which is a clean and efficient source of energy. Third, the Sky Cruise is safe. It will be equipped with the latest safety features, and it will be piloted by artificial intelligence. The Sky Cruise is still in the concept stage, but it's certainly possible that it could become a reality in the future. Nuclear fusion is a developing technology, and it's possible that it will be ready for commercial use in the next few decades. Additionally, artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it's possible that it will be able to safely pilot a flying hotel in the future. I think the Sky Cruise is an amazing concept, and I'm excited to see if it becomes a reality. It would be incredible to be able to travel in a luxurious flying hotel that never has to land. I think the future of travel is going to be very exciting. We're already seeing new technologies like self-driving cars and flying taxis, and I think these technologies are just the beginning. In the future, I think we'll see even more amazing ways to travel, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.